50 sentences using the word between.
The cat squeezed itself between the cushions of the couch.
The negotiations took place between the two countries.
She stood between her two best friends in the photograph.
The sunsets are stunning between the mountains.
There was a heated argument between the siblings.
He found a hidden treasure between the rocks.
The balance must be struck between work and leisure.
She discovered a note hidden between the pages of her book.
The truth lies somewhere between the lines of his story.
The beautiful garden is nestled between the houses.
There was a close race between the two runners.
He divided the cake equally between the children.
The road winds between the hills.
She chose the middle ground between the two options.
The cat napped peacefully between the sunbeams.
There's a special bond between twins.
He split his time between his family and his career.
She found solace between the pages of her journal.
The secret is hidden between the layers of the cake.
They shared a secret between themselves.
He walked the tightrope between the skyscrapers.
She found a delicate flower blooming between the rocks.
The choice is yours to make between the options.
The river flows gently between the meadows.
She struck a deal between the two parties.
The love story unfolded between the main characters. He built a bridge between the two islands.
She discovered a special connection between the stars.
The contest was fierce between the competitors.
He found peace in the silence between the waves.
She found a balance between her studies and her hobbies.
The squirrel darted between the trees.
The tension was palpable between the two nations.
He shared a secret handshake between friends.
She walked through the narrow alley between the buildings.
The river forms a natural border between the two countries.
The treasure was hidden between the floorboards.
He sought refuge between the tall grasses.
The compromise was reached between the parties.
She sought shelter between the cliffs during the storm.
The map shows the border between the regions.
He found a quiet spot between the bustling streets.
The bond between a mother and child is unbreakable.
She walked a fine line between confidence and arrogance.
The rainbow appeared between the rain showers.
He divided his attention between work and family.
She discovered a path winding between the trees.
The love story developed between the characters.
He negotiated a deal between the two companies.
She found a path of harmony between conflicting interests.